In this video, we are going to look on how to schedule email in Outlook. First, open up your Outlook account, then click on New Mail and compose an email, for example, like this. Now to schedule this email, all you have to do is click on this arrow besides the send button and then click on Schedule Send. Click on Custom Time, choose the date and time you want to schedule this email for. And then click on Send. You can see your scheduled emails in the draft section and they will be labeled as scheduled. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.